Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next to. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, finally we could see that gold took support around the previous resistance and gave a small or minor bounce. Right now, gold is standing at 2017. So let's look at the market sentiment first. But before uh, we proceed, I would like to mention one thing that, my dear friends, there are many scams going on. Probably you guys already know. Then please be careful, because you can see these are all scams in my name on Telegram. On Instagram also you'll find some fake profiles. So if you want to contact me, the only source of contact is through my website. The link will be in the description, and I'll also share my email address on the description. If you really want to contact me, then please contact my email or website only. These are all scams in my name. In fact, on Instagram also there are many scammers. Okay, so if you want to follow me on Instagram for the live sessions that we conduct from time to time, okay, then feel free to follow the real profile that is in the description. So let's look at the market sentiment first. Gold edges lower as investors await clues for rate policy. Gold inches lower in thin holiday trade as investors seek more Fed cues. Gold prices edged down in early Asian hours on Tuesday, pressured by a slightly stronger dollar and elevated treasury yields, while traders also awaited further cues from the minutes of the US Federal Reserve's last meeting. So, this is the chart of DXY, and we can see that DXY after the consolidation is showing good price rejection from below and trying to go up. If you look at the present trend of the market here, then obviously you may think that we do not have any trend present. Market is sideways, no doubt about it. But if we look at the overall trend of DXY, then obviously we cannot deny that the structure of the market is quite positive, and still DXY is maintaining the bullish structure. So till tomorrow we can expect that market will be continuing the present structure. Why till tomorrow? Because tomorrow at night we have FOMC. You can see FOMC coming up, and as we all know that for a trend reversal or for direction in the market, the backing of fundamentals are very important. Without fundamentals, there cannot be a trend reversal. So we have been discussing about the trend reversal on gold, on Euro USD, but the fundamental factor was missing, and we can see fundamental factor is coming. So if it helps, then we may see an upside on gold as well as on Euro USD. So on DXY, nothing much to discuss. So overall the structure is positive. We can expect the market will be heading up, and if market falls, the levels are still the same. 104 will be the first support and 103.70 will be the second support. Today we don't have any news, so more or less you can expect the technicals will be dominating the market. So my dear friends, let's discuss about the chart of gold. In our previous videos also we discussed that if gold really needs to continue the upside, or if gold wants to have a trend reversal, it will have to cross 1932. Because if you look at the chart of gold on H4 or 4 hours time frame, you can see the structure of the market is still bearish, and for a trend reversal we need gold above this level, because gold will be forming a higher high. And as we all know, fundamentals are very important, and that fundamental factor may not come today, but tomorrow we can expect that after FOMC, okay, gold may show trend reversal signs, because sometimes charts speak before the news. So if that happens, maybe we will get to see upside on gold, and we will get to see selling pressure on the US dollar. Okay, so till then we can expect that gold will be trading below the 2028 to 2030. If you look at chart prime also, then chart prime is also saying us the same thing. You can see here, this is the market dynamics pro that helps us with the analysis. You can see change of character, break of structure, market is forming higher highs, and market needs to form another higher high, then only it will break this level here. So this is chart prime. Those who don't know, chart prime, apart from helping us with analysis, also generates buy and sell signals. We have seen in earlier videos. If gold fails to go up, if gold fails to form a higher high and forms a higher low, This indicator will tell you that yes, my dear friend, you can expect a reversal on gold again. And along with that, the oscillator also helps us with the buy and sell signal. You can see the buy signals generated by the chart prime, they have done pretty well. This was a sell sign from the chart prime. And if you prefer to trade on divergences, okay, divergences are also very, very powerful. Right now, they are giving a 7 days money back guarantee. Okay, you can check out chart prime. Okay, if you don't feel like that, okay, it will be helpful, you can ask for the money back. But yes, if you really want to take your trading to the next level, you can definitely check out chart prime. So my dear friends, as you can still see that the volume is still missing. There is not much volume in the market. And during the Asian session and European session, okay, if the same amount of volume remains in the market and market shows some upside, then you can expect some selling around 2025. If you look at the present trend of the market here, this is the present trend of gold. The present trend of gold is clearly saying that yes, the market is an uptrend. Overall trend may be towards the downside, but if you're a day trader, if you're a scalper, then obviously you need to consider this particular portion of the market. And right now the market is up, but still, due to absence of volume, you can look for a sell around 2025 level. Yesterday we saw that we derived 2025 from the FIBO 50% retracement level, so we can expect that this should work in absence of volume. During the US session, if you see that there is a sudden spike on volume, then it may not work, but in absence of volume we can expect a level to work. If you see market is reversing, you can hit the sell button, and the ultimate resistance for the day is 20282, 2032, because this was the level from where market fell. So if market hits the level, observe the market structure, not the structure, observe the market reaction, market behavior. If market reverses, we can hit the sell button. But on the other hand, if you see the market is going up, market has broke the level, do not take a buy immediately, because right now we do not have the backing on the fundamental factor. So if you see that gold is trading above 2032, wait for some time, because it may be a false breakout as well. Okay, so once you see the market is trading comfortably above 2032 for quite some time, then only go for a buy, because if false breakouts are a bitter reality. And okay, you cannot, there is no 100% cure to false breakout. That is also a true thing. In the workshop I covered the topic of false breakout, and with practice to a good extent we can avoid false breakout. But is there any 100% cure to false breakout? Obviously no. Okay, so wait for some time. Now if we see market going down, the first level is around 2008, because we could see that dollar was going up. Okay, US dollar was going up. So if you see that because of upside on dollar, okay, there is pressure on gold, especially during the European session and Asian session. You can expect the market to take support around 2008. Why not US session? Because US session means volume, and if the volume is high, then usually this type of small levels do not work. And if market takes support 2008 level, you can hit the buy button. How much you can expect? At least you can expect a bounce of 40 pips. Okay, 40 pips, my favorite 40 pips. And if you see the market is going down, in that case, okay, wait for the next support around 2003. Okay, 2003, it can be 2002 also. Once you'll see the market has hit the level, you can switch to a lower time frame to see the market behavior. Once you'll see the market is showing price ejection from below, market is showing hammer kind of a pattern on lower time frame, you can hit the buy button. Okay, so if market goes down, we have two levels: 2008, okay, which is a weak level, and then 2003 to 2000. Okay, so these are the trading opportunities that I see on the chart of gold right now. And again, I'm repeating that there is a possibility of a trend reversal, because the structure of the market is slowly changing, but still we don't have any confirmation yet. As you guys already know, that the world's most affordable forex trading workshop is back again. It's a 3 days workshop followed by 1 month support that I conduct in both Hindi and English language. दोनों language में होता है. You will find all the details on the website. It's a 3 days workshop, and these are the topics that we will be discussing during the 3 days. Keep in mind, this workshop is not for complete beginners. This workshop has been designed only for those people who have been struggling with the market, unable to make money for the last couple of months and years. I have also shared my story so that you can understand that nothing is impossible in the market. There is a questionnaire at the first so that you can understand whether the workshop will be beneficial or useful for you or not. So you must be wondering what will happen in support. So in support, okay, there will be weekly lessons, and these are the topics that we will be discussing in our weekly lessons or weekly classes. And you will be receiving regular market updates like this. You can see here, this is a March workshop, and these are the regular market updates, analysis, everything about the market, so that you stay in touch with the market, you stay ahead of the market. And we also have a Telegram community so that you can talk with other or interact with other traders. It's a colorful community. You will find traders from all around the world. You can ask questions, you can share your ideas. It's a lovely community. You can see the next workshop dates are for English classes 1, 2, and 3, 1st, 2nd, and 3rd of March, and Hindi classes 9, 10, and 11th of March. And if you're unable to manage time, you don't need to worry. I record everything because people from all around the world participate, but because of time difference, sometimes they cannot attend. So I record each and every session. The classes will be conducted over Google Meet. And once you are done with the payment, okay, you need to share a screenshot to this number. Yeah, the best part is the payment. You can see here 3 days workshop with 1 month support is only $15 or rupees 1000, and these are the benefits you will be receiving. And yeah, trading takes time. Trading is a journey. So if you're looking for longer support and personal sessions, you can also sign up for semi-annual and lifetime support. These are also very affordable. So in semi-annual, okay, apart from the Telegram community access and the WhatsApp updates and analysis, you'll also be having personal one-on-one sessions with me. You can see here for semi-annual, it's only $65 or rupees 4000 for Indians. And if you love me, if you like my work, then yeah, you can also sign up for the lifetime support. It's only rupees 8000 or only $125. Okay, hopefully, okay, it will be beneficial and useful for you. These are the payment options. So once you're done with the payment, just share a screenshot to this WhatsApp number or email here with your WhatsApp number so that I can add you to the groups immediately. Thank you so much.